2020 GMC Yukon. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. Its sensibility is matched by a spread of extra features, which include Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, premium sound system, multi-zone air conditioning, parking aid sensor, third row seating, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, tinted windows, rear air conditioning, running boards and/or side steps, power driver seat, power passenger seat, pass-through rear seat. Enjoy a test drive and experience it for yourself now.